form. Then let's open the editor, maximize it. Let's delete the sample program as usual, because we have to type our own program using functions. Now, in the functions, what do we do after this class line, public class func? We need to declare here the function public, and then int, and let's give the name to the function add. The name should be such that it should tell us what does it do. Int m, comma, int n. These are the parameters of the function. This line is known as header line of the function. Now, after this, there should be body of the function. Body is enclosed within the curly braces. Now, first line is int s is equal to 0. We are giving it 0 value because here we are supposed to store the sum after adding these two numbers stored in m and n. From main, we are going to pass values in m and n. These are the parameters. And now this statement prefixed with the return keyword, this returns a value of s after adding the values which will be passed from the main function. Now, this was the body of the method. In Java, functions are called methods. Don't get confused that functions are something else and methods are something else. Now, the first line, public static void main string args. Now the curly braces starts over here. Now int a comma b comma p. In the p variable, we'll get the value which that function is going to return. Now input stream reader, Java is case sensitive, so we should take care what we should type in which cases, lower cases or upper cases. Input stream reader read, here let's give the object name read is equal to new input stream reader. Here we can copy it. Now new input stream reader, and then here system.in. Then this bracket close, then this semicolon. Now here we are going to give the value at runtime. Now we all know that with input stream reader we need buffered reader. Buffer is a temporary memory. Need to store the value from console. Buffer reader. Now here we can give object name in is equal to new buffer reader. Again, we can copy it from here. Now just paste it. New buffer reader. Now here the object name read, which we gave earlier with the input stream reader. Semicolon. Now we can give the output statement. The S should be capital. System.out.println. This is the output statement. And here we can give the message to the user. Enter two numbers, which we are supposed to add. Runtime. We'll give value during runtime dynamically. A is equal to integer dot %. Here I is capital, %, and we all know that with input stream reader we use object dot operator, then which method? Readline method. Readline L is capital. Readline method is present there. We are calling it and using it just to input the value. Then again we can copy it just to save your time. Now here second variable name we gave in this main method, this B, and the rest the line will be same because we are going to give the integer value twice. So the sum OB is equal to new sum. New sum. Here we are creating the object of the class sum, but here we gave the name func. The class name here we have given the func, so object of the class will be, here we can prefix it with func. Func obj is equal to new func. Now then semicolon. After this line we can store the value in p variable. P is equal to, now OB is the object of this class, OB dot operator, just to use that function with the name add we created. Remember on the top we have given that function header line, and on the header line we have given the name of the function, and now A and B values we are giving over here. This is the way to call the method. Now whatever the values of here the user is going to input, they are going to go over here, and hence they are going to go in the function. And now after calling the function, the return value is going to go in P variable. Now the last statement will be output statement. Let's copy this. Now here last line, hit enter. Now control V. Now we want to show the value. Let's delete this message. The sum of two number is P. Is, now this is the value, should be in double quotes, and then plus operator, and then the answer is in P. Now let's see the result. Before we check the result, let's check for any error. By compiling it. Now yes, we haven't imported this java.io, so let's import it. On the top of the class, let's import the package. Import java.io dot asterisk. Asterisk is going to include all the methods present in this, all the classes present in this package. So semicolon is also there. Now let's compile it. Enter two numbers. Let's enter the value. Let's enter 12, and after that let's enter 44, and now it has given, see, it has given the sum of two number is 56 by adding these two numbers. But remember, we used in this program, we are using that function. Thanks for watching.